guys, welcome to our channel. We are opening the toy now, and we got Smashers, and it's 5 plus, and he's not 5 yet. He's gonna be on. What is
Seven, and I'm 4. And
so let's look at the back. So filthy food are not nice, cream, noodles, maggot pizza, snot dog, eyeball soup, odd bodies, eyesore, horrid hand, drain brain, runny nose, stink foot, runny nose, and apple. So you can throw it, smash it, then there's a toy.
My buddies are very excited. Yeah, opening this, and they made a lot of noise. One of them is Rafi. As you can hear in the background, he's making noise. Yeah.
He's gonna review about the other toy, Shaky Shark, in the next video with me. We have a collector's guide. When you saw it, it has like 3 types, odd bodies, 3 runny nose, 3 of one same thing, and toilet humor. There are 10 balls in the eyeballs and 2 smashes without the eyeballs.
Wow!
And I'm gonna show you how you smash them. Like, you got one toy! Fix it! Fix it! No. Oh, I got a slime surprise! Why? They said they will be in this slime surprise. It's gooey and ooey. Finally, we got the shells. We're picking them up right now, and I'm going to show you the characters. We got this toilet, poo paper, black spider, runny nose. This is trash. No, where's the trash? Where's the trash? Eyesore. Another.
Yes. Slime.
We got, what's this?
Slime.
Please watch the next video and subscribe or comment if you like it.